Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit cocktail Graham dessert. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 large can of fruit cocktail, thoroughly drained, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Also, prepare 200 milliliters of chilled all-purpose cream and 1 pack of Graham crackers. Having all your ingredients cold is key for a smooth and delightful preparation process, ensuring the best texture for your finished treat. Now, let's create the creamy heart of our dessert. In a spacious mixing bowl, gently combine your chilled all-purpose cream with the sweetened condensed milk. Using a whisk, blend these 2 ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Continue whisking until it achieves a lovely, thick consistency, capable of coating the back of a spoon. This rich, sweet base is crucial for a perfect fruit cocktail Graham. With our cream mixture ready, it's time to assemble. Begin by arranging a single, neat layer of Graham crackers at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Next, carefully spread about 1/3 of your creamy mixture evenly over the crackers. Then, distribute 1/3 of the drained fruit cocktail over the cream. Repeat these 3 layers 2 more times, ensuring the final layer is a generous topping of fruit cocktail. This creates a beautiful, multi-textured dessert. The final, and perhaps most important, step is chilling. Once assembled, cover your fruit cocktail Graham tightly with plastic wrap to prevent it from drying out. Place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, though chilling it overnight yields the best results. This crucial time allows the Graham crackers to soften beautifully and all the delicious flavors to fully meld together. Serve your chilled dessert cold for a truly refreshing and delightful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.